Have you ever wondered which is the best security system to protect your home or business? In this video, we present the top 5 security systems available on the market. Additionally, we have left links in the description for all these products so you can check prices or buy them directly. Let's get started. The first security system on our list is the TP-Link Topo C420S2. This system stands out for its ease of installation and high image quality. It comes with 2K cameras that offer sharp resolution, ideal for capturing any important details. Additionally, it features night vision, ensuring continuous surveillance 24 hours a day. One of its most notable features is intelligent motion detection, which reduces false alarms by distinguishing between humans and moving objects. You can also control and monitor the system through a mobile app, giving you peace of mind and total control from anywhere. The TP-Link Topo C420S2 also includes a two-way communication function, allowing you to speak to anyone on your property through the camera's built-in microphone and speaker. Moreover, its compact and discreet design fits perfectly into any environment without drawing attention. This system is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use thanks to its weather-resistant design. The cameras are water and dust-resistant, ensuring optimal operation in any weather condition. The initial setup is quick and easy, thanks to the step-by-step installation guide included in the app. Additionally, the TP-Link Topo C420S2 offers cloud and local storage, giving you the flexibility to choose how and where to save your video recordings. Next on our list is the Ring Alarm Kit. This system is known for its integration with other Ring devices and Amazon Alexa, making it a very versatile option. The Ring Alarm Kit includes contact sensors, motion detectors, and a powerful siren that activates when an intrusion is detected. Its installation is simple and does not require professional tools. Additionally, you can monitor your home through the Ring app, receiving instant notifications in case of any suspicious activity. You can also opt for a professional monitoring plan for added protection. The Ring Alarm Kit not only offers protection against intruders, but can also integrate with other security devices such as security cameras and smart doorbells. This allows you to have a complete and coordinated security system in your home. Additionally, compatibility with Amazon Alexa allows you to control the system with voice commands, making managing your security even more convenient. The contact sensors of the Ring Alarm are perfect for doors and windows, ensuring that any unauthorized opening attempts are immediately detected. The motion detectors can be placed in strategic areas to maximize coverage of your home. The system also includes a backup battery that ensures continuous operation during power outages. With the Ring Alarm Kit, you can also add additional devices as needed, making it a scalable and flexible option. The initial setup of the system is intuitive, with clear instructions provided through the app. Additionally, you can customize notifications to receive alerts only when necessary, avoiding unnecessary interruptions. In third place, we have the UFI Security S220. This system is known for its advanced technology and elegant design. The UFI S220 cameras offer 1080p resolution and are equipped with artificial intelligence for precise person detection. Additionally, this system is completely wireless, making it easy to install anywhere without worrying about cables. Another great feature is its local storage, which keeps your data secure without the need for monthly subscriptions. With the UFI Security app, you can access recordings and receive real-time alerts directly to your smartphone. Additionally, the UFI Security S220 features a long-lasting battery, meaning fewer worries about frequently recharging devices. This system also offers a wide field of view, allowing you to monitor large areas with a single camera. Its modern and elegant design fits perfectly with any decor, making it an attractive addition to your home or business. The cameras also feature a night vision function, ensuring you can see clearly even in complete darkness. The installation is quick and easy, with everything you need included in the package. Additionally, the system is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control the cameras with voice commands. Local storage is done on a micro SD card, which can be expanded as needed. You can also set specific activity zones to reduce false alarms and receive notifications only when necessary. The video quality of the UFI Security S220 is exceptional, with clear and detailed images both day and night. The system also includes instant alerts sent to your smartphone in case any suspicious activity is detected, ensuring you are always informed and can take quick action. Our fourth system is the AOSU Solar Cam, ideal for those seeking an ecological and efficient solution. This security camera system is powered by solar energy, meaning you won't have to worry about changing batteries or connecting them to a power source. The AOSU Solar Cam cameras offer 1080p resolution and are equipped with PIR motion sensors, which accurately detect any activity on your property. Additionally, their weather-resistant design makes them perfect for outdoor use. With the AOSU app, you can easily monitor and manage the cameras from your mobile device. Solar energy is not only good for the environment, but also ensures your cameras are always operational, even in case of power outages. The AOSU Solar Cam also offers cloud storage, allowing you to access your recordings from anywhere and at any time. This system is ideal for those who want a hassle-free and environmentally friendly security solution. The cameras are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, from heavy rain to high and low temperatures. The installation is quick and easy, with an adjustable mount that allows you to place the cameras in the perfect position. Additionally, the PIR motion detection technology minimizes false alarms, ensuring you are only notified of relevant activities. The system also includes a two-way communication function, allowing you to speak to anyone near the camera through your smartphone. The AOSU Solar Cam is an excellent choice for those seeking a sustainable and efficient security solution. Finally, in fifth place, we have the Ajax Kit Plus 2B. This security system is known for its reliability and cutting-edge technology. The Ajax Kit Plus 2B includes a smart hub, motion detectors, door and window sensors, and a remote control. Its installation is very simple thanks to its plug-and-play design. This system also features dual connectivity via Ethernet and GSM, ensuring you are always connected even if one of the networks fails. The Ajax app allows you to control and monitor the system in real time, offering an intuitive and easy-to-use interface. Additionally, its elegant design fits perfectly with any decor. The Ajax Kit Plus 2B not only protects you against intruders, but can also integrate with smoke detectors and other security devices to offer comprehensive protection. Its advanced detection technology significantly reduces false alarms, and its backup battery ensures the system continues to operate even in case of power outages. This system is perfect for those seeking a complete and reliable security solution. The Ajax Kit Plus 2B motion detectors are highly sensitive and can cover large areas, ensuring precise detection of any activity. The door and window sensors are discreet and easy to install, offering additional protection against intruders. The remote control allows you to arm and disarm the system easily and can also be used to activate a panic alarm in case of emergency. The Ajax app offers instant notifications and allows you to customize settings according to your needs. Additionally, the modern and elegant design of the Ajax Kit Plus 2B integrates perfectly with any style of decor, making it an attractive and functional addition to your home or business. And there you have it, the 5 best security systems for your home or business. Each of these systems offers unique features that cater to different needs and budgets. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and to purchase the one that best suits your needs. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming content. See you next time.